Hi guys, small unboxing of this Fortnite Nerf here. It was a present of a good friend of mine, MsChristinella on Twitch, if you want to check out. And yes, I will show you what is inside. Already unboxed it, and yes, you can see it's very long, like half a meter. Nice loading sound. You need just to do these 6 bullets inside, like this. And yes, the cool thing is you just need to press here, whoops, like this, and then you can shoot. It's crazy. Another one, okay, it's empty, you see, nothing happened. Next one, empty, load, and let's go. Next one. Very nice. Yes, that's it. I think it's very cool. Thank you to MsChristinella, and guys, have a nice day.